Alright, YouTube, what is up? Right now, I'm going to show you how quickly and easy it is for you to upgrade from the Lead Lightning to whatever membership that you please. Let me log in real quick. Skip this for right now. Okay, I'm going to go to my account. I'm going to upgrade. Go down, supercharge my system. Alright, so you can start you can either start a free trial. I really want to upgrade to the Diamond membership. That's what I really want to do. But yeah, we're just going to start the free trial. I believe my information is already, yep, that is me. I agree. I'm going to try now. Alright guys, so right here, I was trying to decide rather if I wanted to go diamond or stick to gold. I really wanted to go diamond. I was very excited on upgrading, even though my facial expressions says otherwise. But yeah, man, I really wanted to do this finally because it creates more opportunities for me. All money in, no money out. So right now, I'm going to show you guys the compensation plan for the gold membership. It really breaks it down to a T. It's really a good video, so that's why I'm putting it into my video right now. So without further ado, let's jump to the comp plan for the gold membership.
The examples in this video are for illustration purposes only. The Power Lead system does not guarantee that you will make any money from your use or promotion of our products and services. Your success depends on your own work ethic and other factors that may or may not be mentioned in this video. Hey, it's Jeff here, and in this short video, I'll be revealing the huge earning potential for marketing this high-demand product. The compensation you'll receive for referring customers is very substantial. For example, a Power Lead system customer only pays $30 per month and has 100% access to every amazing tool that we offer. As a Power Lead system affiliate, for every customer you refer, you're paid a hefty $20 commission over and over again, month after month, for as long as they remain a customer. And as an affiliate, you'll keep all of your referrals and never lose a commission.
As you guys can see, I have lost commissions in the past, so that's why I really wanted to upgrade, and I felt good about it because now I can not worry about losing commissions, focus on the opportunity and seize the moment. Alright, so let's do this. Back to the video.
Which means that every customer you refer goes directly frontline to you, which we call your pay line, each paying you a $20 monthly residual commission. Refer just 3 customers, and not only is your monthly expense completely covered, you're actually now earning a net profit each and every month. Now here's where it gets even more exciting. For every one of your customers who decides to step up and cash in on this lucrative pay plan for themselves, you're going to make a staggering 50% match on each and every one of their referrals. Did you get that? So let me help you visualize just how powerful this really is. Suppose you sponsor me, and I was one of your customers who decided to step up and start marketing to make my own referrals. And let's say I grew my pay line to 50 people. At $20 per month per person, I'd be making $1,000 per month. But since you sponsored me, you'll make a 50% matching bonus. In other words, that's $500 in monthly residual income that you'd be making from my entire pay line. But it's not just my pay line. You'll make this same incredible 50% match on the entire pay line of every referral that you ever make. And that's powerful. Now, don't worry. If you don't quite understand how all this works, our powerful software does. It doesn't make any mistakes. In fact, it'll track all of your commissions for you with 100% accuracy. The last thing, but certainly not the least, is commissions are paid instantly every Wednesday all over the world. You can use your computer or you can use a smartphone to log in and transfer the money right to your bank account or directly right onto a Visa pay card.
Alright, so I gotta re-log in here. This will no longer be Lead Lightning no more. I'm gonna show you how we coming out. Yeah, so I definitely gotta upgrade my membership. Renew my domain name that expires next month. Alright, really looking forward to this. I'm gonna skip these updates for now. New compensation plan. The Master Traffic Institute. I really want to get into that, but we're gonna we're gonna skip these for right now. Alright, so I definitely gotta set up my sales funnel. I definitely gotta go and set it up. SMS phone leads link will be in the description. Last year being broke plan. If you need a marketing system, this is the best one around, man. Trust me, they've been out for years, paying out for years. No problems here, and you shouldn't have any problems either. So thanks for watching. That was quickly how you upgrade within the Power Lead system. So thank you guys for watching. All the links will be in the description. See you on the inside. Peace out.